This is a smart solar spotlight. It is for outdoor. It is obviously waterproof since it is for outdoor. And it is, like I said, solar. So that's pretty cool. So it does have the little solar panels right there. And then you do see the lights right there, which is awesome. Just because, it's a pain in the butt. It costs money for electricity. And so, if you've got lights that have to do that, and then sometimes if it rains, when things are hooked up to extension cords outside, we've got our Christmas lights up still. And when we got that heavy snow and rain a couple nights ago, all the rain, I guess, sitting on the outdoor extension plug, completely tripped and all the lights cut off. So that's why I love anything that is solar powered. I just feel like it works so much better. So I really like that. So you can either there's a couple different buying options. You can either do them in the 2-pack or the 4-pack. So basically these have much brighter than average, which is awesome. 20 different LED little kind of bulbs in there, which is awesome. Is that what you call them? Bulbs? So it is pretty cool because you also get to adjust it. So there's this little gadget right there, and that allows you to change direction however you want to change. And then basically all you have to do is just twist it, and then that locks it in place. And when it comes, basically it's kind of separated from the actual stake. So you just pop the stake in there and then just pop it in the ground and you're good to go. So it's very, very, very user friendly. So it does have leading waterproof technology. So again, everything, as you can see, there's this huge, really thick kind of plastic, kind of glassy stuff on the front with all these screws. So everything is very, very, very waterproofed, which is hopefully going to prevent any water from seeping in and causing any damage. So that's why these are absolutely awesome. And then they do have dual brightness lighting landscape spotlights, which is pretty cool. So they automatically detect the change of brightness and adjust accordingly, which is pretty awesome. So you do have the choice to either stick in the ground with the stakes, or you can mount on a wall with screws, meaning you can pop this in the ground, or there's another little spot that you can do the screws on the little mount, and then you can pop it on, your garage or a shed or your deck or, the side of your house, wherever you want to put it. So you do have 2 different options for use with this, which is pretty cool. So I absolutely love these. And especially if you've got something that you kind of want to showcase, I feel like a lot of people have a special plant or a special water feature in their yard or whatever you've got. This would be really fun because you can pop that in there, and even at night it will be showcased, which is awesome. I think these are a great buy. And again, 2 or 4-pack, and they're just a great thing to have in the yard.